Hey, if you've been thinking of moving to the Tampa Bay area and you're looking for that channel that provides you home tours all around from south of Tampa to north of Tampa, east and west, you found that channel. We provide you home tours every single week. So make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications because we're getting after another one
right now. My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email because we would love to help you make that smooth move to the Tampa Bay area.
So here we are in Palmetto, Florida. We're just south of Tampa and just west of I-75, easy access to get to many, many places. We are about 50 minutes to Tampa International Airport and about another 50 minutes to McDill Air Force Base.
For those of you looking for the beaches, because that is Florida and that is what we are all about, you are right in between two beaches, not too far away. We've got Sarasota and St. Pete Beach that's only 30 minutes from here, and you are going to be quicker to Bradenton Beach, which is only a 20-minute ride from Palmetto here at Coasterra.
So here we are at Coasterra. Today we're going to focus on a subdivision inside Coasterra called Edgewater, and the builder that we're going to focus on today is David Weekley Homes.
So here in Edgewater at Coasterra, there is going to be two builders in the section behind us, which is a gated section. We're going to have David Weekley and Cardell Home Builders. And like Andre said, we're going to focus just on David Weekley today. We're going to shoot through two of their ready, quick move-ins. So if you are ready to pack your bags, make a move to Florida, and you want to do it in 30 to 45 days, come on, follow us because we've got two homes to show you.
And stay tuned to our channel because this community is massive. We're going to be coming out with different videos every week. We're going to hit a lot of the different builders inside of this community. It's really cool. It's resort style living. It's got a massive 165 acre lake. It's got another smaller lake, 20 something acres. It's going to have
amenity rich, amenities, trails, parks. If you're wanting to get out and jog 15 miles, you can do it here in Coasterra.
Fitness center, walk-up bar pavilion, beachside. It's really, really sharp. But let's go check out this David Weekley home.
All right, let's go. Welcome to the Maurice. This is one of the quick move-ins available here in Coasterra by David Weekley. 2-story home, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3-car garage. Let's go check it out. So right now we are in the front porch of the Maurice, and as you can see, this is a very nicely sized front area, nice and covered. We have an 8-foot entrance front door, so nice and bright. Come on into the Maurice and let's see what it has to offer. So this is one of their newer floor plans out here in the Manatee County area. Right up front, you're going to notice a very large flex space. They have this set up as a home office, but if you wanted this to be a formal dining room, you definitely have a lot of room in here to put a very nicely sized table, hang a very nice chandelier, and make this your private formal dining. There is some storage available up front. We've got double doors on this closet, and we all know you can never lack with storage space. And as we continue into the main living area of the home, you are just gonna say, wow, this is bright, open, airy, spacious. I love this open floor plan. We have the kitchen that is gorgeous, massive island. It has to be, I'm gonna guess, at least 10 feet on the length. You can see they've got 4 stools across the front, nice deep stainless steel sink. Now with David Weekley, you are gonna need to purchase your refrigerator and your washer and dryer, but you're gonna have all your other appliances, your dishwasher, the built-in oven, and your microwave. And best of all, this is a gas community, so we have a very nice gas cooktop here with 5 burners. I love the fact that they have these drawers underneath because for me and big pots, these are perfect. Beautiful home, white shaker cabinets, black on the matte finishes. And I love another thing that they typically do, which is the different colors you get on the center island. So we have this warm wood color with the white cabinets and that backsplash that just makes everything come together. Talking about a lot of storage, you will not be disappointed in the size of this pantry. And another thing that I do love about David Weekley, the wooden shelving just looks nice and neat and pristine at all times. Now, if you're one that loves to entertain, this home will definitely check all your boxes. You're not gonna miss a beat. Everything is located all in one area. You've got your kitchen that's overlooking a very nicely sized family room. Then tucked over to the corner, we are gonna have the cafe section. And again, this is a large area. They've got a 5 top here, but if you wanted to put your formal dining room table and keep that upfront space as an office or a flex room, you definitely have the room to do that here. I love that they've got 2 picture windows off to the side, 2 to the rear, and then a door that leads out here to the lanai. So again, a very nice and bright floor plan. So for those of you that might have the need for generational living, this could check one of your boxes, as we do have the primary suite and a secondary bedroom located here on the first level. Again, going back to storage, you're gonna be surprised with the amount of storage that you're gonna have under the stairs. It even hangs upright. So again, all your Christmas items, all your decorations, Halloween, you're definitely not gonna lack for storage in the Maurice. So this is gonna be our bedroom number 1 located down here on the first level. Nicely sized, they have carpet in here. I love the clean lines on the baseboards. And this does have a nicely sized walk-in closet. Again, nothing that I ever got as a child, but this would be a perfect space for even just guests and visitors because you do have a lot of room here. Now we are gonna have the laundry room located directly across from bedroom number 1. I love the funky tile that they've done in here. It gives it a little bit of character, and this is where you would hook up your washer and dryer. You've got room to add a folding table, ironing board. You can add custom cabinets up there, again, if you need more storage, but you're gonna have a lot in this home. So right next door to bedroom number 1, there is going to be a full bath, and I love the fact that they've done a step-in shower. So again, if you did have somebody elderly staying with you, they don't have to fight over a tub and worry about falling. You've got a great shower located down here, single vanity sink, again, the white shaker cabinets. And then this is going to be our entrance to that 3-car garage. Nice and wide. Again, you've got 3 bays out here, so if you still need more storage, you could definitely add some overhead racks up in here. And again, out here in the garage, it is already pre-plumbed for a water softener, so this home is ready to go. And wait until you see that price point. So now we are gonna cut through the family room as we just left bedroom number 1, and we are gonna be entering the primary suite. And it is very generously sized. You can see that this is a king size bed. You've got room for nightstands on both sides. 2 huge windows here on the side of this home, so you are gonna have a very bright room. Room for a rather large dresser over here. I could see room over there for a little bench or some different styles of seating. You're gonna have multiple options in this bedroom, and this is gonna be the primary ensuite. They do have a walk-in shower, tile all the way up to the ceiling, and it is a frameless shower. We are gonna have a linen closet located here, so again, more storage for your towels and comforters. We are gonna have a private water closet in here, and I love this, that you open the door and it's actually not in your way. It seamlessly fits right along this wall, so that door is not in your way. Now, this is a very nicely sized walk-in closet. I know, again, I've been talking about doing different levels on your racks to get more storage in here, but really and truly, this is a very generously sized walk-in closet, and you can see that they've added extra racks here on this side, so perfect again for purses, shoes, things of that nature. And as we get to the top of the second level, you are gonna have a nicely sized bonus room located up here. Storage we were talking about, there is gonna be another closet here. And again, this one's big. You can throw some blankets, games, things of that nature. AC handlers also located up here. And being that this is a larger 2-story home, there is going to be 2 AC units, so handlers are both located up here on the second floor. Now, just off of this bonus room, we are going to have bedroom number 3, and this one is definitely nicely sized, but it's a plus because it does feature an ensuite. So for those of you maybe with that girl that needs her own bathroom, doesn't want to deal with a mess, she's got her own with a shower tub combo, quartz on the countertops, white shaker cabinets, and of course, a walk-in closet located up here as well. And stepping out of that third bedroom upstairs, we are gonna head to the opposite side where we're gonna have 2 remaining bedrooms. And they are all gonna be very similar in size. If I was a guessing person, I'm gonna say probably like a 13 by 14 or so, because they are nicely sized. Again, with the smooth baseboards, just those clean lines. We have another walk-in closet, and directly across is gonna be that 5th bedroom. Again, equal in size, walk-in closet. However, this one may seem a little bit deeper. Now, for these 2 bedrooms, we are gonna have a full bath that's also located up here on this side of the home. It is gonna be a shower tub combo. More vanity space in this one. I love the fact that They've done the black matte finishes everywhere. It just really pops nicely against that white. You have a shower tub combo. Again, tile on the walls and tile in the wet areas. And now the Maurice does have a fully covered lanai area where you can have your gas grill, you could throw a TV on the wall, set out some tables or some lounge. Remember, all the lots in this neighborhood are gonna be 60-foot wide lots, so you're gonna see a lot of those 3-car garages. They are also gonna be 130 feet deep. So for those of you that wanna add a pool, outdoor equipment, things like that, you're definitely gonna have the room here in Coasterra.
So the Maurice is one beautiful home.
It is.
Debbie, how much is this home?
So for under $600,000, this home could be yours today. Well, like in 20 days. This home is priced at $599,000. Now this is a big house. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage on a corner lot. And we all know when you're on a corner lot, you get a little bit of more landscaping, a little more room between the houses.
Absolutely beautiful community. David Weekley is one of our favorite builders. If you're looking to make that move into the area, we want to be your agents. You will work directly with us. We're not gonna pass you along to another person. We have over 500 homes sold in the area, and we want to represent you when you come out to look at these homes.
But don't make that mistake of visiting a model, talking to the sales rep, whether it's David Weekley, whether it's Taylor Morrison, or any other builder. Once you go into these homes and you fill out a card and you don't include our name or say that you're represented, we can no longer help you with that process. So we can't negotiate maybe a refrigerator for you or closing costs, things that normally an agent would do on your behalf. So make sure you put us down. But before you even get to that, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom or a Teams meeting, because we want to get a game plan together to make sure what you're looking for, where you want to be, just works for your family.
So let's game plan, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. Let's figure out what your criteria is, what your must-haves are, what homes, what area of Tampa Bay is going to suit you best. And let's game plan, and let's make the most out of your time when you're here. We're getting a lot of buyers from out of state that want to come here for 2 or 3 days, and they want to see as much as they possibly can to figure out exactly where they want to be.
And we can make that happen for you, but you just need to give us a heads up. So give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, set up that Zoom, because we would love to see you
Around the Tampa Bay area.
Bye now.